Hi, welcome back to Microtec channel. I'm Jackie. Today I'd like to introduce our entry-level 4-station fully automatic DTF heat press machine, X4. This machine has a small footprint and only needs 2 operators. You just load and unload the garments and the DTF fields. No walking back and forth, no manual pressing the heating plate. This saves labor costs and cuts down the operator footage. With an optional feeding machine, you will only need 1 operator. Each press station can run different time and temperature settings at the same time. You can transfer 2 different garments at once and choose from 6 preset programs to suit any jobs. You can also adjust the speed at which the machine switches the stations to match your team's pace. Each station comes with 2 positioning devices to help you place the DTF fields perfectly. Thank you for your watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.